Hi everyone, welcome again to this channel. Today I will explain you about Python regex function. So regex, it means regular expression with Python. So before starting with actual content of today's session, let's understand agenda of today's session. We'll discuss about what is regex function, how we'll define and how its logic works when we are working with Python programming language. Then I will give you basic idea about how we'll use it regex function in Python or regex expression in Python. Then by using one or two example, I will show you how we'll use it and perform several operations of regular expression in Python. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Let's begin with regular expression in Python. So first of all, regular expression is a special sequence of characters that help us to match or find other strings or set of strings using a specialized syntax held in a pattern. So just like you can see here, I've defined one pattern here. So if I will search with ELI, definitely this is wrong because I've declared pattern here as a 5 alphabets which will start with A and end with S. So unless and until this will not satisfy the condition, I will get wrong result. So here if I will give A P K S, again this is wrong, A P P K S. Now this is exact what which I am looking for. It will start from A and end with S, then only it will fulfill my requirement, and finally with 5 alphabets. This is called as pattern. By using pattern only, we can search and match the logic when we are working with regular expressions. So using a specialized syntax held in a pattern, regular expressions are widely used in Unix world. The pattern model provides full support for per-like regular expression in Python. The RE module raises the exceptions re.error if an error occurs while compiling for using or regular expression. Here I will cover two important functions which would be used to handle regular expression, but a small thing first. There are various characters which should have a special meaning when they are used in regular expression. To avoid any confusion while dealing with regular expression, I will show you how we'll use it and what's the purpose of using these small functions. So as I said here, this is the pattern. This will not match. Again, this is not match. This one is definitely matched and I got result. So whenever we are talking about this pattern is having some information regarding this or some value on this. So whenever we have declared here, it is called as caret. So caret symbol is used to check if a string starts with a certain characters. So if it will check first alphabet, then it got passed, means first match. Then it will check second alphabet, again first match. If I will enter here LIS, then when it will check for this word, immediately it will show no match. So something like that it will work. When we are talking about second symbol, that is dollar, dollar symbol is used to check if a string ends with a certain character. So it will ends with this character, then it will show a match, otherwise it will throw no match. So let's see one example here. After that, I will explain some more details about this type of regular expression. So whenever we are starting or working with regular expression in Python, we have to import RE. So after importing this, only we can use regular expression in Python. So for importing, we have to write import RE, that is regular expression or regex. Then here we have to define the pattern. For defining the pattern, as I said, we have to use this type of pattern, that is caret and dollar symbol. Now our pattern is built. So if I want to give one more dot here, then it will require 6. Now after that, we have to provide the string which from which I want comparison. RE string is the string which I am going to provide here for comparison. So because I am looking for starting position with A, here I have to declare A, B, B, A, S. Now it's 5. Again, if I will add A here, so it will become 6. 3 and 3, 6. Then if I want to see the result, so result I am printing here as a re.match. Then in between that pattern, whichever pattern we have defined, pattern comma re string. Now our logic is built. Let's apply if condition. If result, then print success match else print fail in match. Let's run this, then I will explain you about the logic. Now you can see it is printed success match. Let me change last alphabet, or let me minimize 1. So now it becomes 6 alphabets. You will get fail match. Either, let's check the logic again. If I did not provide the S or ending letter S, then again it will fail. So by this logic, or we can also change the pattern as well, like M S. So here if I am M S, now it's again 6, again I will get success match because it is starting from M and ending with S. But if it will not start from M, again I will get fail in match. So this is a pattern where we are using in Python. So whatever pattern we are defining, same pattern we are expecting in result as well. So we have used re.match. So it will this function to search pattern within the re string. The method returns a match object if the search is successful. If it is unsuccessful, definitely it will throw an message fail in match. So there are other several functions defined in RE module to work with regex. So let's explore that as well. So it is always specified that regular expression meta characters are used in the this example is Scarlet and dollar. So meta characters are also available are characters that are interpreted in special way by the regex engine. These are the list like square brackets. So let me show you here square brackets, then dot. These two are, I have already covered. Then star functions, then plus, question mark, curly braces, round brackets, backward slash, and pipe. So these all are meta characters are allowed which we can make the combinations. So square brackets specify a set of characters we wish to use it. So just like if I want to use square bracket in my regex function, then I will declare like this and provide the value SDF, something like that. So if I'm expecting one value and it will start from S and end with F, so first our pattern or RE match pattern will search in between my pattern, and unless and until it will not found the data, it will not return a match. So it will work something like that. So here will match if the string are trying to match contain any of the alphabet in between that. We can also specify a range of character using like this hyphen inside a square bracket. So it will search or a complement invert the character set by using caret symbol at the start of a square bracket. We can also use in this. So if we are using this is called as period in regular expressions. So it will start or search for number of characters matches any single character except new line. So unless and until it will not match, it will not show you a result. I've already covered the caret. We can also use for the single or double alphabets in dollar, so that will denote the end with certain characters. Star, when we are talking about the star, this function matches 0 or more occurrences. Like if I want to provide the data here M E, and if I will give star here, so it will check 0 or more occurrences of this alphabets. So unless and until it will not found the detail, it will throw an error message. So star symbol matches 0 or more occurrences of the pattern left to it. Then the plus symbol matches one or more occurrence of the pattern left to it. Question mark symbols matches 0 or 1 occurrences of the pattern left to it. Curly braces consider the code like this, and if I want to check the value A comma B, this means at least A and at most B repetition of the pattern left to it. So if there is one example here, A, B, C and D, A, T. So it will show a no match, but if this will find like this 2 comma 3, then it will show AABC DAAAT. That means it will show two matches of A and two matches of A in second as well. So round brackets basically representing the groups. Parenthesis is used to group subpatterns. For example, we can also use A pipe B pipe C XZ matches any string that matches either A or B or C followed by XZ. Backslash is used to escape various characters including all meta cases. For example, backslash dollar $a match if a string contains dollar followed by a. Here dollar is not interpreted by a regex engine in special way. Special sequence make commonly used pattern easier to write. The list of special sequence are slash a slash b slash d, that is 0 to 9, or many more identifiers are available. You can find it out on online. So let's take one more example of Python regex function. Here I've created one pattern here. In this pattern, D plus, and the string I'm giving here as a high 34, high 67, Y 32. So this is my string. I want to track the numbers in between this parameter. So here I am using re find all, then my pattern, then re string, and I want to print the result. So if I will print the result, let's see what's the result. You can see here I am getting the numbers which is identified here. If the pattern is not found, refind all returns an empty. So just like that, change me the value here and say the result I got only 2. Let me remove other 2 as well. I am getting, I've already written here only characters. Because of that, I am not getting anything and it returns none value or empty string. So find all method returns a list of string containing all matches which is available in my pattern. So re.split method splits the string where there is a match and returns a list of string where the split has occurred. So just like that, if I have declared here the data, mm, 11, 40, right? I want to split the pattern RE. So I will write here RE split, and then I will run the result. I will get only alphabets or the characters written value, that is 11 and 40. It will split the value and it will give me a result. There are several other functions are also available like in RE. If you are really interested to learn that as well, comment me in the comment box. I will create another sessions which will cover other functions of regular expression in Python. So let's recap the content. We have started with the basics of regular expression in Python. Then we have discussed about their pattern. Then by using examples, I explain here how the pattern looks and what is the basic concept of this. Then by using first example, I explain how we'll use it and what is the name of different sequences which is allowed in Python. Then we have discussed each and every sequences or the patterns which we can define in Python. Then another example, it is explained for the split functionality and find all functionality. Till now we have covered max. Out of that, if really looking to learn more about regular expression in Python, comment it in the comment box. I will definitely create another session for this. Hope you enjoyed this video. If really liked the content, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.